So today I'm going to be unboxing one of these Nest Hello video doorbells. If you enjoy this video, smash the like button and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos about electrical products. So here it is, let's crack it open. There's a little security seal here. Peel that off and then lift up the lid, and there it is straight away. The Nest Hello video doorbell. Got a little protection film there over the camera and connections for the power up on the back there. QR code for pairing it within the app. Underneath we have some instructions how to set it up within the app, a little sticker that you can put on your door to show that you're protected by a Nest camera, and some warranty information. Now this little piece of kit is to be used in situations where you are connecting it to a chime, an existing doorbell chime, and the instructions show you exactly what to do with that to connect your doorbell chime. And in here, so this is the base which you screw to your wall. The cables go in the back there and then come through, and the Nest Hello just clicks into that. So it's just a way of mounting the base there. And this little wedge is for if you want to angle it. So it goes either way like that, so you can angle it to the left or angle it to the right, depending on which side of the door you're on, what situation you're in. That's a handy little piece of kit there. In here, if I can get it open, there we go. We have a key, and this key is very important. This key goes in the bottom here, I believe, to actually lever. Oh yeah, here we go. So when it's clicked in to the base, to get it out of the base, you push the key in, and that releases the doorbell from the base. So that's important to be able to unclick that from the base to do any maintenance in the future. A drill bit for drilling or fixing holes. A couple more connectors which are for connecting it to the chime or transformer, and a couple of raw plugs, and a couple of screws. Nice stainless steel screws. As with all Nest products, they're very good quality fixings that are provided. The drill bit, I've not used these personally myself because I do just tend to use my own drill bits, but I'm sure that they work just fine. The key could be easily lost, so that's something that I would advise people to keep that somewhere safe. The actual doorbell camera has quite a wide angle, so it's really good. Even if you mount it quite low, you can still get a good visual on people's faces. So that's something that's good to remember. It's got 8 times digital zoom, video encoding 1600 by 1200 up to 30 frames per second, 160-degree field of view, that's what I was talking about earlier, and it's got night vision as well, high quality audio, and it only weighs 129 grams. It's a 3 megapixel camera with a colour sensor. That's the Nest Hello Video Doorbell. Now, see my other video about watch this video before you buy a Nest Hello Doorbell. That talks about installation problems that you might come across and other things that you need to buy to make sure that this will work when you come to install it, because you need a special transformer, and that's what that other video is all about. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.